Topic: Vedic astrology and disease. Cancer. What is cancer? Cancer is a disease caused by an uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in a part of the body. This growth may manifest as a lump or tumor. In all types of cancer, some of the body's cells begin to divide without stopping and spread into surrounding tissues. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Cancer. According to Ayurveda, cancer is known as Karkat and is believed to be caused by an unnatural lifestyle. Increased use of processed foods and food preservatives is a leading cause of cancer. Excessive load on the digestive system is also responsible to a great extent in the spread of the disease, as it causes the toxins to spread in the body through blood. These toxins accelerate the abnormal growth of certain body cells, leading to malignancy. Astrology of cancer. Cancer is a slow and stealthy disease and is directly connected to slow-moving malefic planets like Rahu and Saturn. Rahu is considered to be a major contributor, and his union with a house lord and the Karak of that house often leads to cancer in the part of body connected to that house. For example, if the second house or its lord are afflicted by Rahu and Saturn, the Karak Jupiter is weak and badly placed in 6th, 8th or 12th houses, the part connected to the second house, the mouth, can become cancerous. Point 1. The lord of the 6th house rules over disease. If this planet is placed in the Lagna, 8th or 10th house and makes a union with Rahu, it indicates the possibility of cancer. Rahu's aspect or presence in 6, 8, 12 houses and the lord of the trick houses uniting with the Bhav, Bhavesh and Karak causes cancer in the part connected to that house. Point 2. Different planets act as Karak or significator for different houses. For example, affliction of Sun indicates cancer of digestive system and brain. Point 3. Afflicted moon causes leukemia and breast cancer. Point 4. Mars gives cancer related to bone marrow, uterus and reproductive system. Point 5. Mercury causes cancer of nose, navel and mouth. Point 6. Jupiter produces cancer of ears, tongue, liver and thicks. Point 7. Venus gives cancer of reproductive system. Point 8. Saturn that of gums, legs and hands. If Saturn and Mars are connected in some way and Saturn is also connected to the 8th house, possibility of cancer increases.